my Self-Reliant peeps. I'm back in Pittsburgh again. I think we're coming to the end, maybe by next week. I think the cabinets are supposed to come on Monday. And yeah, we'll see. At any rate, I'm here, I have my paint clothes on, and I'm ready to work. So let's carry on. Okay, all four walls, well, there are a lot of walls, but they're all covered. Down there is where the cabinets will go. Up here is where cabinets are going to go the whole way down. I see up at the top, it's going to need, and I'll do that tomorrow. I'll go through with the smaller roller and I'll get the edge of the wall and ceiling. Glenn can do the ceiling. My days of doing ceilings are over. So that's it. I think white's gonna look good. If you look at this wall, there's places where it's gonna need some touch up, but ran out of paint. Well, my Self-Reliant peeps, that's it for today. I'm gonna go home, get cleaned up, and I'll see you tomorrow, back in Pittsburgh.